Let's examine the different parts of the viola. Starting at the top, we have the scroll. These are the traditional decorative tops of the instrument. They don't serve a function, but they do look great. Then we have the peg bogs and the pegs. This is the location and the beginning of our strings. The pegs are used to hold the instrument in tune, and they are called pressure pegs, which means that they have to be pushed in while turning to hold whatever note we are tuning to. This is the nut and the fingerboard. The nut helps hold the strings at a certain height above the fingerboard. And the fingerboard is a place where we put our fingers down in different patterns to play the notes of the instrument. This is the neck. We use our left hand to contact the neck while we play notes. When picking up a viola, it is always best to pick up from the neck first. This is the upper bout of the instrument, and it is also where the neck is attached. This is the waist of the instrument, and it separates the upper bout from the lower bout. This is the lower bout of the instrument, and you can see it is much wider than the upper bout to allow it to resonate. These are the F holes, and they are speakers on the instrument. They allow the sound of the instrument to resonate and project. These are the viola's strings. They travel over the top of the bridge, and then they resonate into the instrument. This is the bridge. It takes the vibrations from the strings, and then it vibrates those into the rest of the instrument. It is also only held on by the tension of the strings. So if your strings get too loose, the bridge will actually fall over. So don't glue it back in place. It's meant to be unattached. Now, if you look through the F holes, you can find a special part of the instrument called the soundpost. Inside, you'll notice a small dowel that runs from the top to the back. This is called the soundpost. It takes the vibrations from the bridge and it helps the instrument sound. It also holds the pressure from the strings and keeps the bridge from breaking through the top of the instrument. Down here we have the tailpiece, the button, and fine tuners. The tailpiece holds the base of the strings and houses the fine tuners. Fine tuners are used to adjust our instrument and make small adjustments to tuning. This is the button. It holds the tailpiece onto the instrument, and like the bridge, it is also unattached. This is a chin rest. And unlike its name would suggest, the chin rest is used primarily to shorten the distance between your jaw and the instrument. And with the way that we will set up the instrument, we could rename the chin rest the side of the jaw rest. Familiarize yourself with different parts of the instrument, and we will refer to them often throughout the course of these lessons. And it's good to know your instrument, top to bottom.